Avelina? Oh, is that a fidget toy vending machine?
It doesn't work.
Well, I'm gonna try anyways. Wow! Nice!
Please work. Please, please work. What? Not again! Fidget toys! Don't bother, it doesn't work. Maybe you're unlucky, but I feel very lucky today. Whoa, so many cool ones! See? It's my lucky day. Whoa! Fidget toys! Lucky! Lucky! They're all lucky! Nice! Okay, machine, this is my last coin. Please be lucky. Please be lucky. Please be lucky. You couldn't be kidding me. It works! It works! Wow! This is so cool! Wow! Oh, so cool! This is my lucky day! Hey, what is that? Oh, it's all broken.
Oh no, it's not broken, but you have to play my game now.
Your game? No way.
Oh yes, you will. Otherwise, I will turn you into a frog.
Weirdo. What? Where did the phone go? What?
You cannot get rid of this phone. You have to play this game, or else.
Or else what? You'll turn me into a frog? Oh no! What?
This is my last warning. You have to play this game.
Okay, you got my attention. But what do I need to do?
We will play a game called Simon Says.
Simon Says?
Yes, Simon Says. Pull yourself up 5 times over there.
What? 5 times? I'll try. Done. Now let me go.
No. Simon says you have 20 seconds to turn on your TV at home.
What? 20 seconds to get home? That's not enough.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Impressive, Amelia. But now, a small riddle.
A riddle?
Simon says, what kind of room has no doors or windows?
What kind of room has no doors or windows? I know, a mushroom.
Correct. You are very smart.
Enough of this game. What do you need me to do now?
Simon says, you have 10 seconds to walk on your hands.
What? I can't walk on my hands. That's not fair.
Simon says, you have 10 seconds or turn into a frog.
Oh no!
10,
I have to get rid of this phone quickly.
9, 8,
Perfect.
7, 6,
What is going on there?
5, 4, 3,
What's that?
2, 1.
What was that?
Oh, hello, thief. I'm going to play a game with you.
A game? Oh, that sounds fun. What kind of game?
The game is called Simon Says, and if you don't do what I want, you will turn into a frog.
Oh no!
I'm not a frog. Amelia says no more games.